So you landed a job opportunity and instantly thought they picked the wrong person, or you hit a milestone, or instead of celebrating, you feel like you just got lucky. That's imposter syndrome. And if you're feeling it right now, you're not alone. I've been there too, but I've found ways for us to push through this. So let's get into it. So before we dive in, hit the like button, subscribe. If this speaks to you, let's change the narrative together. So you asked, what's this imposter syndrome? Imposter syndrome is feeling that you are not competent as others think you are. It shows up in your thoughts like, I am not qualified enough. Someone's going to find me out. I don't deserve this. It affects even high achievers, career changers, new business owners, even new content creators. Even people like, Beyonce's and Michelle Obama have admitted to struggling with it. So you see, you're not alone. And you want to find out why this shows up. Imposter syndrome often appears when you're doing something new. You're not familiar with it. You're the only one in the room, maybe the only woman, only person of color, or maybe you're a beginner. You are growing faster than your mindset can actually keep up with, essentially. It thrives on comparison and perfectionism. Social media doesn't actually help either. Everyone looks confident and polished online, and you start questioning your own path. So just stick with it. So if you're not sure that you're dealing with imposter syndrome, here are some of the signs that you might experience. You downplay your wins. It was nothing. You say something like that. You procrastinate because you're afraid of being judged, and also you tend to overwork to prove yourself. And also you attribute success to luck rather than your skill. So recognizing these signs is the first step to obviously reclaiming your confidence. Here are 5 ways to overcome imposter syndromes if you're experiencing it right now. The first thing I would do if I were you is to track the evidence. So keep a journal of your wins, emails, your feedback of project that you smashed. When doubt creeps in, just go ahead and read it. You didn't get lucky, you showed up. So the second thing for you to do is share what you're feeling. Speak up, let people know. Most people you admire had felt it too. Community shrinks the shame is to talk back to the inner critic. That voice in your head is not fact. Start noticing it and counter it with the truth. Say, I may be learning, but I belong in this room. The fourth thing is for you to stop waiting to feel ready. Action builds confidence, not the other way around. Show up scared. Show up even unsure. Just show up, and you'll start to feel much better. The fifth thing is for you to celebrate small wins loudly. Stop brushing off success. Every win is an evidence. So say thank you and own your growth. Imposter syndrome doesn't mean that you are broken. It means you're growing. It's a sign you're in unfamiliar territory. So which is exactly where transformation begins. This video, drop a comment if you ever felt like this. Subscribe for more confident career and mindset tools, and share this with someone who needs this reminder. You are more than capable. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.